In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a TradingView widget to your website in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, log in to your TradingView account. On the home page, click the More menu at the top, then select For Business. From there, choose All Widgets. You'll now see a variety of widget options, such as Advanced Chart, Symbol Overview, Mini Chart, and many more. Select the widget you want to use. For this tutorial, I'm going with the Advanced Chart. Click Get Widget to open the preview. Here you can customize everything: the size, the default symbol, the time zone, and even the color theme. For example, if I choose the light theme and click Apply, the chart updates instantly. You can also change the chart style, add indicators, and fine-tune additional display settings. Once you're happy with your setup, scroll down to the Embed Code section. Click Copy Code to copy the HTML embed snippet. Now head over to your website editor. In my case, I'm using Shopify, so I'll add a custom liquid section and paste the code inside. And just like that, the TradingView chart appears on your website fully interactive. You can change timeframes, zoom in and out, and navigate the chart without any issues. If you prefer a different look, simply go back to the widget page, choose something like the mini chart, customize it, copy the code, and paste it into your site the same way. And that's it. That's how you embed TradingView widgets on your website quickly and easily. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching.